All right, so this is how that truck used to look. You see all this hair right here? All this hair, that was all of that whole truck. And I've spent the whole afternoon vacuuming up the whole interior, wiping down this whole interior. See all the doors here, and see, it's incredible how I'm such a meticulous guy. I want to take care of my cars, and other people, they just don't really care, basically. So, and they're still here. That's lingering around here. And I've even used duct tape. Look at the seat. Look at the seat. 15,000 miles of one of my employees working on this truck. And look how trash this seat is. With just 15,000 miles, and this truck's like 6 months old. That's pretty bad, if you ask me. But I don't know. But the seat was really dirty, so it probably didn't help. So anyways, it's another Ice Age TV project. And I'm just cleaning up my F-150 Lightning. It looks like I'll be driving it, because it looks like one of my guys ain't going to be working anymore. So kind of a bummer, but that's what I'm doing. Follow me along. Follow me along.